Alright, so this Rottendog MPU 327 is having some switch issues. So if we just go diagonally, so row 1, column 1, and then column 2 does not work. Row 2 works, but column 2 does not. We get no response from anything on that column there. So we traced it back, and it is the 74 HCT 9114. So we'll go ahead and get that swapped out. Alright, so we had a couple of headers that I had to replace. So right here at the power header, and then also one on the displays here as well. So we'll go ahead and get this powered up. So we got the lamp matrix, only coil that's locked on there. That's going to be the coin lockout. Got displays, so we'll go ahead and throw it into test. And first test will be displays. And next test is going to be all the lamps. And we'll get it into coil test here. So the flipper grounds. And coin lockout into the special solenoids. These are also switch driven. Those all test correct. And this set down here so we can go through the switch test. So we'll go through, sorry. I'm trying to do this one hand. 7 and 8. And as you can see, column 2 is working correctly now. Go ahead and test all in that column there. And then we'll go through the rest of that row. Okay, and so the last switch actually is going to be switch 48. So we've got everything working there for you. Thank you so much for sending that.